What's up, Maniacs? We're back for another one. What do you say we dig into that pile of boxes and go replace a part on the car? So let's start with the gas cap. Let's go take the gas cap. Let's go remove the vinyl wrapped chrome gas cap off the JCW and replace it with the mini piano black gas cap. First, we gotta get the JCW outside where we've got some better light. So from the front, you can see that the wrap looks okay, but on the side, the wrap doesn't reach all the way around, so it's really an amateur hour job. Yeah, for now we're gonna take this off. We're gonna unwrap it, set the chrome piece aside, and put on the new OEM piano black piece, and it's gonna look much nicer. So let's get to that. So to remove the cap, there's a little clip that's right above here, and you're gonna stick your pry tool in there. And this is gonna be hard to see on camera, but if you look at yours in person, you'll recognize it. And you're just gonna pry that clip open. When you get it, rotate the cap counterclockwise. It should come off. Here you can see the clip that we're releasing so that you can then turn the cap and unlock it, take it off. I've been waiting to do this a while. Let's peel this vinyl wrap off. There it is, no vinyl wrap, black all the way through. So to put it on, we're just gonna put the pull tab down here at around the 8 o'clock position. You just twist it till it locks in place. And that's it. Looks so much better from the sides too. You don't see any of that peeling wrap. And now we've got a piano black gas cover. So that's it for this one. Replace the chrome with the piano black. Pretty quick install, easy, anybody can do it. Next week I think we will tackle the door handles. So yeah, like and comment below, subscribe if you haven't, ask any questions in the comments if you have any, and I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to wave.